Hey, it's Sammy. On December 26th, day after Christmas, we took 7 trades in Dow Futures YM for 266 points. Let's take a look and see how everything played out today. This is our first trade. You can see that big, ugly doji wiki candle there. That was red news at 8:30. We are now coming back down. Our data is kicking into the short side. We're going to protect the trade, and we're going to punch through what I've marked up as a sell zone. That's our value area low. We are breaking this red band right here, which is VWAP deviation 1. We are now moving out of deviation through this sell zone. All the data lights up, but we are hitting this 50 Fibonacci, going to lock in 49 points. If you look to the left, you can see where we punched through the sell zone, got stuck at the 50 Fibonacci. We had a signature soda reversal to go long. Trade's kind of stalled out a little. It's still going. It's been protected for about 15-20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and manually lock in 29 points here as we get back up to the 61.8 Fibonacci. This is our open trade. We have short time frame data. We are still going long. We are going up through the volume profile. There is a gap. That's why we're going long right here. Of course, we're going to protect that trade, so we move that stop loss into break-even strategy. We only have a few short time frames of data we're working with, so we're probably not going to make a push through VWAP, which is this pink line right here. We're going to go ahead and hit VWAP and lock in 52 points. Now we are above that green line, which was deviation 1. We can see that we have yesterday's closing price right above us, plus we have a second band up here, this aqua band we're aiming for. The data's just starting to kick in, and we're going to go ahead and go long here. We already got that trade protected. We got that stop losses moved into profit. You can see here we're flirting around with yesterday's closing price as we go up and hit this second band. We're just going to lock in 32 points. We're working with a lot more data now. We got volatility break, we've got 5 time frames in sentiment, and we're really getting some good momentum across multiple time frames. This aqua band is deviation 2. That purple band up there is deviation 3. You can see right in the middle there's a purple line with green hashes. That's a GAN entry zone. So we've got the data. Let's go along. Trade is now protected. We've got that stop loss moved into profit. And we're going to go ahead and lock in 32 points here. There is a reason we are shorting from here with short time frame data, of course. We actually hit the weekly VWAP 2 band deviation 2. We are rolling over. We are divergent across multiple time frames at the high of day, taking a straight short, protecting the trade. And we're going to go ahead and lock in 34 points right here. If you look to the left, that was the trade we were in. It did actually hit our target. We are re-entering this trade right now because we have a couple of time frames of data hitting to go short again. The highs were lower. You can see we're going below the 200, and we're aiming for that deviation 1 as our target. Risk-free trade because our stop loss is already in profit. You can see we quickly come down and hit our take profit at 38 points.